Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's deadlift workout. It's triples week, and that means working up to 485 for 3 and then doing a couple of doubles with 475 and then 485 for 3 again. In total, the work sets, the volume for the work sets, I'm going to count it as 12. I did 405 at the end for 8 reps. That was extremely difficult. I'm using Challenge Barbell. That's the name of the company. I'm using the barbell from Challenge Barbell, and still feels very good. I like it. 485 for 3 was really difficult, mostly because it took a while to get into the right mindset. I'm not quite sure how. I guess guys who take this pre-workout stuff might really benefit from it because it helps you get focused and stuff. But people like me who are coming from work with daily life, and you got so many other things on your mind, it takes a while to like break off from that and then start off and we stay focused on this. But by the time the heavy sets rolled around, everything was fine. This 485 for 3 was challenging, but it was good. I'm very happy with this workout. I have no regrets. I think my form got a little sloppy sometimes, but the main thing is that I was able to keep my core braced. There's no lower back pain. Everything feels good. I'm making this video a few hours after the workout, and I've got no negative feedback. So that's really good for me. Set number 4 is 475 for 2 again. The first rep was a real grinder. Second rep, of course, much better, much smoother. Some of those second reps just flew up off the floor. So I guess it's a good thing I'm not a professional competitor, because this would mean that I'd keep messing up all of my attempts, because all the second reps would be good, first reps would suck. So I guess it's a blessing in disguise. Apart from the fact that of course I'm not strong enough to actually hold any world records or anything, but let's just put that aside for now. So I decided to do 475 for 3 at the end, sort of as a way to know that I've solidified my strength at 475, 485 for triple. Good day, bad day, any day, I can nail this. And that's exactly where I want to be. We're still maintaining strength. I'm on Eric Troy's maintenance mode cycle, and I'm probably going to be on it for a little while. I've mentioned this before, so I'm just reiterating that point. By the way, that guy in the blue that passed by, he's one of the biggest professional bodybuilders from my gym. Huge guy. Alright, 405 for 8. This was very difficult, mostly because holding the bar for that long is hard. The knurling on this is pretty sharp. I've got really delicate hands. I've complained about this before. I think I'm going to whine about this for a while. I think after 6 months of regular use, maybe my hands will toughen up, but I doubt it. The burning sensation definitely comes in. I'm very happy that these reps are not touch and go. It's like the bar is, the weight is resting on the floor for there's a good pause at the bottom. It's not rushed. So last 2 reps, of course, really ball busters. Very difficult, but I got it, so I'm very happy. Good workout. Next week is going to be 505 for 2. Wish me luck, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you very much.